Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English Learning video. Have you ever wondered about what to see and do in the UK? Well, we're about to explore the best of what this incredible country has to offer. From breathtaking landscapes, world-renowned landmarks, to bustling city life and serene coastal retreats, the United Kingdom is a treasure trove of diverse experiences. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, there's something for every taste. So buckle up for an unforgettable journey. Stick around, and you'll discover the best places to visit and activities to do in the UK. First stop London, the capital city of the UK. When we think of London, the first image that often comes to mind is the iconic London Eye. Standing tall on the south bank of the River Thames, this giant Ferris wheel offers an unparalleled view of the city's skyline. It's a sight you won't want to miss. Then there's Buckingham Palace, the London residence of the Queen. This majestic building, with its beautiful facade and the famous changing of the guard ceremony, is a symbol of the UK's enduring monarchy. It's a place where centuries of history come to life. Don't forget the British Museum, a treasure house of world history and culture. Here you can marvel at ancient artifacts such as the Rosetta Stone and the Elgin marbles, and immerse yourself in the stories they tell. If you're a fan of shopping, then Oxford Street is the place for you. With over 300 shops, it's Europe's busiest shopping street. You'll find everything you need, from high-end fashion to quirky souvenirs. And what better way to end a day of sightseeing than a relaxing boat ride on the River Thames? As you glide along the water, you'll get a different perspective on the city and its landmarks. It's a perfect way to unwind and take in the beauty of London. London, with its rich history and vibrant life, is definitely a must-visit. Next, let's journey to the historical city of Bath. Tucked in the heart of Somerset, Bath is a remarkable blend of ancient history and stunning architecture. One cannot speak of Bath without mentioning the Roman baths. These well-preserved thermal spas are a testament to Roman engineering and a glimpse into the life of the ancients. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find Bath Abbey. With its breathtaking fan vaulting and detailed stained glass, this architectural gem tells a story of faith and artistry from centuries past. Then, we have the Royal Crescent, a sweeping arc of Georgian townhouses that is an iconic symbol of the city. This grand structure, with its uniform facade, is a marvel of 18th century architecture, and for a truly unique experience, why not take a hot air balloon ride over the city? From up high, you can marvel at Bath's honey-colored stone buildings and rolling countryside. For those who enjoy history and architecture, Bath is the perfect destination. Now imagine the breathtaking beauty of the Scottish Highlands. Stepping into the Highlands is like stepping into a dream, a world of towering mountains, shimmering lochs, and vast stretches of untouched wilderness await you. This is a place where nature is at its rawest, most captivating self. Let's talk about the landscapes first. Dramatic and diverse, they range from rolling hills blanketed in purple heather to rugged cliffs and deep blue lochs. One such loch, Loch Ness, is a must-visit. It's not just about the elusive Nessie, the famed Loch Ness monster, but also the serene beauty this freshwater loch offers. Onto the mountains, and we can't miss mentioning Ben Nevis. The highest mountain in the British Isles, it stands tall and proud, a challenge many hikers can't resist. Hiking trails here are plenty and varied, catering to both novice and experienced climbers. And it's not just the landscapes that leave you spellbound. The Highlands are a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Golden eagles soaring high, red deer grazing in the meadows, and otters playing along the riverbanks. It's a spectacle of life in its most natural form. Not to forget, there's also the rich culture and history to explore. Ancient castles, Gaelic traditions, and the warm hospitality of the Highland folk add to the charm of this enchanting region. The Scottish Highlands, a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Last but not least, experience the coastal charm of Cornwall. This enchanting corner of the United Kingdom is a treasure trove of natural beauty. It's famous for its stunning beaches that stretch for miles, kissed by the Atlantic Ocean. These aren't just for lazing around, though. If you're a thrill seeker, you'll find a wealth of surfing opportunities, with waves that can rival those of Australia. Now, let's not forget about the iconic Tintagel Castle. Perched high on the rugged North Cornwall coast, this historical site whispers tales of King Arthur and is a feast for the eyes and the imagination. Of course, no visit to Cornwall would be complete without tasting the delightful Cornish pasties. These savory treats are as much a part of Cornwall as the waves and the castle. They're a perfect bite after a long day of exploring. Cornwall, where the sea meets the land, offers a unique and relaxing getaway. The UK, a land of diversity and charm, offers countless unforgettable experiences. From the hustle and bustle of London's iconic landmarks to the tranquil beauty of Bath's historical treasures, our journey has taken us through a tapestry of rich experiences. We've strolled through the vibrant streets of London, marveling at the architectural wonders like the Tower of London, the British Museum and the stunning Buckingham Palace. We've soaked up the atmosphere of the West End, tasted the best of British cuisine, and felt the pulse of the city that never sleeps. Next, we drifted back in time in the historical city of Bath, where we unveiled the secrets of the ancient Roman baths, admired the stunning Georgian architecture, and basked in the serene beauty of the Royal Crescent and the Circus. Then we ventured north to the Scottish Highlands, a land of breathtaking landscapes and mythical folklore. We've trekked across the rugged terrains, discovered the allure of Loch Ness and the haunting beauty of Glencoe, and felt the power of the natural world in its purest form. Finally, we embraced the coastal charm of Cornwall, with its enchanting fishing villages, majestic cliffs and sandy beaches. We've indulged in delicious Cornish pasties, surfed the Atlantic waves, and watched the sunset over the mystical Land's End. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the UK, where every corner holds a new adventure.